Alright, so I'm going to show you guys a little hack. So, whenever you get out of the car, like, let's say I get out like this, right? Get out of the car. Okay, you see the screen's on right now, but if I close the door, you see it shuts off. Right now the plug's in, so it thinks it's it's scheduled to charge, but it's not going to charge. But you don't have to have the charge cable plugged in to do this, right? So if you want to keep it on, let's say you're watching like Netflix or Hulu or YouTube or whatever, and you don't want to be sitting in the front seat, let me show you here. Okay, so what you do, you get out, make sure to roll down your window like this first. Okay, then you get out of the car. All right, and the trick is, what you want to do is keep the door open, and then while you're keeping the door open, put some pressure on the seat here. Okay, you can either put a weight in there or just hold it down with your hand and then close the door. And as you can see, now the thing stays on. So if you were watching a movie or something and you wanted to get into the back seat, you're probably wondering why anyone would want to do that. But let's say you want to like sleep back here. Let's see if it will. I haven't tried this yet, but let's say you wanted to go back here. Okay, and you wanted to stay back here and watch it because you don't want to sit up there, because here you can actually like create a bed or whatever. And as you can see, now it shut itself off again. So I think what you have to do is you have to keep pressure on the front seat again. So another way I guess you can do it is you can kind of crawl forward and you can push your hand into the front seat like this. Okay, and then you can have that. But if you have people in the back seat and you want to leave them in the car while they're watching a movie, that's a trick you can use. Okay, so yeah, hopefully this video helps some of you guys out. But yeah, that's a very useful feature. I was using that because my niece and nephew were sitting in the back seat of the car, but then I had to get out. Okay, like let's say you have passengers that want to watch a movie and you want to just go somewhere, then that's the secret. You just make sure to keep pressure on the seat when you close any of the doors. So if you open any of the doors, it's gonna shut and close it, then it's gonna shut off the screen. But once you do that, as you can see, we can open up Netflix from back here. Okay, and you can start it up. But yeah, so that's a little trick, that's a little hack. Hopefully that helps you guys out. If you have the key, like the phone with the key on it in the car, then all you have to do is push on the seat, because then it will think someone's sitting in the seat. Okay, and then the screen will stay on. But if the person takes the key with them, then that's the trick. You have to make sure that you're putting pressure on that seat whenever you close any door. Okay, that's it. Hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.